Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your own family channel. Please keep watching my channel and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching my videos and liking my videos. This video is especially for all of you. Today I have a very interesting video for you. This is a crochet flower motif. A beautiful addition is here in this video. Crochet is an art form that allows for endless creativity, and one of the most popular motifs to crochet is the flower motif. Crochet flower motifs are versatile, beautiful, and can be used in a wide variety of projects. Whether you want to adorn a blanket, a bag, or even create a flower accessory, crochet flower motifs are the perfect addition to any project. What makes crochet flowers motifs so special in their versatility? They can be made in different sizes, colors, and styles, allowing you to customize them to suit your preferences and the specific projects you are working on. From delicate small flowers to bold, oversized blooms, the possibilities are even endless. You can experiment with different yarn weights and hook size to achieve various effects and create unique flower motifs that truly stands out. In this video, you will see when it comes to crochet flower motifs, there are countless patterns available. You can find patterns ranging from simple and beginner friendly to more advanced designs. If you are just starting with crochet, you can begin by making basic flower motifs that consist of circular center and several rounds of petals. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can try more complex patterns that feature textured stitches, different petal shapes, and even layered flowers. One of the great advantages of crochet flower motifs is that they don't require a large amount of yarn, making them perfect for using up a small scraps or leftover yarn from other projects. This means this means you can create beautiful without investing a significant amount of material. Crochet flower motifs can be used in a wide range of projects. For instance, you can sew them onto a plain bags or a purse to give it a vibrant and personalized touch. Crochet flower motifs can also be used to embellish hats, scarves, and headbands, instantly adding a pop of color and a femininity to your accessories. Any other popular application to create crochet flower motifs and join them together to make a blanket, a throw, or even a shawl. Crochet flower motifs also provide an excellent opportunity. Thanks for watching my video.